Hey guys, today I'll be doing an unboxing of my Ipsy bag. So let's get started. I think the bag is okay. So, first off, I got Pacifica Natural Minerals Power of Love Natural Lipstick, and this is in nudie red. So this is the color. Can you guys see it? Just swatch it. And that's the color. The only bad thing is that it smells like crayons. But that's the color. Anyway. Okay. Next off, I got a hydrating coconut oil shea butter deep nourishing conditioning treatment. It says to use weekly. So you're supposed to put this on wet hair and work through from roots to end, and then leave it in 3 to 7 minutes. Smells like coconut. So yeah, so that's for the hair. Next I got, oh, and this is from Mark Anthony, I'm sorry. Next I got Skin Dimitri James Sugar Lips Polish and Scrub for dry and lined lips. And this is the product. Let's open it up. To me it smells like strawberries. Anyways, next I got Formula X nail color. So that's the box. This little teeny nail polish. And does it have the shade? Revved Up. This one's called Revved Up. Anyway, this is the nail polish. So, cute little small little thing. And then last but not least, I have the Brow Duo from Crown Brush. I really like their dual end crease, and that's like the best. I use it all the time. Anyways, I cannot get this open. So this is the dual end. I got the spoolie, and oh, that's really rough. Is a Brow Duo supposed to be rough? Anyways, and that's it for this month's Ipsy, and I'll talk to you guys in another video. Bye guys!